I believe this stock is screaming buy right now. The market has been ignoring it for 6 straight months. The stock is down 36% from its all-time high. And yet this company just reported the most profitable quarter in the history of the semiconductor industry. Revenue up 73% in a single year, earnings up 82%, free cash flow $34.9 billion in one quarter. And the stock is still sitting almost 30% below where analysts say it should be. That disconnect between what this company is actually delivering and where the stock trades today is the most compelling setup I have seen in the technology sector in 2026. And I am going to show you exactly what this company does, what just happened, and why I believe the market is making a serious mistake right now. Stay until the end, because the number I am going to tell you at minute 5 is going to completely change how you think about this stock. Make sure you subscribe right now. Every single week I bring you the freshest stock analysis. Do not miss a single one. Now let me tell you what this company actually does, because most investors think they already know. They do not. This is not a chip company, not in the traditional sense. This is the company that built the infrastructure layer that makes artificial intelligence actually work. Think about what that means. Every time a data center trains a large language model, this company's chips are doing the work. Every time a self-driving car processes its surroundings in real time, this company's technology is powering it. Every time a hospital uses AI to analyze medical imaging, this company's hardware is running the computation. Every time a government defense system uses AI for real-time threat detection, this company's chips are at the center of it. There is almost no serious AI application running anywhere in the world today that does not depend on this company's technology in some form. And that dependency is only getting deeper. The company operates across 3 core areas. Area 1 is data centers. Their data center segment just grew by 263% in networking revenue alone in a single quarter. Hyperscalers Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Meta are all spending hundreds of billions of dollars building AI infrastructure. And this company's chips are the default choice for that build-out. Area 2 is automotive. AI. Their automotive revenue pipeline now stands at $17 billion. Self-driving technology, in-vehicle AI assistants, and autonomous systems all powered by this company's platforms. Area 3 is enterprise and edge AI. From hospitals to retail stores to manufacturing plants, their enterprise AI platforms are being deployed at a pace that is accelerating every single quarter. Now the financial picture. And this is where the market disconnect becomes extraordinary. Fiscal year 2026 total revenue $215.9 billion. That is up 65% year over year. Q4 FY 2026 revenue alone $68.1 billion. That beat analyst expectations. Non-GAAP earnings per share $1.62 in Q4, up 82% year over year. Gross margin 73.5%. Free cash flow $34.9 billion in a single quarter, $34.9 billion in one quarter. And yet the stock is trading at approximately $198 today, while 37 Wall Street analysts have an average price target of $270. That is 36% upside. And the most bullish analyst has a target of $380. Now the news, and there is a lot happening right now. News item 1. The Pentagon just signed agreements with this company to provide AI tools on classified military networks, alongside only 6 other companies including Microsoft, Google, OpenAI, and Amazon. That is not a minor contract. That is one of the most powerful governments in the world choosing this company as a trusted AI partner for national security. News item 2. Their next-generation GPU architecture called Rubin is expected to launch in the second half of 2026. Every major hyperscaler is already in line to order. Management expects revenue to accelerate again in the current quarter on top of already record results. News item 3. Global chip sales are on track to reach $1 trillion in 2026, up 25.6% from 2025. And this company sits at the center of the most profitable segment of that market. News item 4. This company just reached a $5.2 trillion market cap in April 2026, becoming one of the most valuable companies in human history. And yet it is still trading 29% below analyst consensus targets. News item 5. Goldman Sachs projects that AI companies will invest over $500 billion in infrastructure in 2026 alone, and capital expenditure estimates have consistently underestimated the build-out. Every dollar of that investment flows through hardware, and this company makes the hardware that matters most. Now the 5 catalysts I am watching. Catalyst 1. Rubin GPU launch in the second half of 2026. The next generation architecture replacing Blackwell. Every major AI company is waiting for it. Catalyst to enterprise AI expansion. From hospitals to retailers to manufacturers, enterprise AI adoption is in its early stages. This company is the default infrastructure provider as that wave accelerates. Catalyst 3 Pentagon and Defense AI contracts. The US military is accelerating AI deployment across classified and unclassified networks. This company is now an official partner, catalyst for China demand recovery. Despite current export restrictions, demand for this company's chips in China has pushed secondary market prices for their B300 servers toward $1 million per unit. If trade conditions ease, that pent-up demand becomes a significant revenue catalyst. Catalyst 5 path to further margin expansion. With 73.5% gross margins and $35 billion in quarterly free cash flow, this company has the financial power to dominate every emerging AI workload for the next decade. Next earnings May 28, 2026. The first report reflecting Q1 FY 2027 results, with Rubin timeline updates. With Pentagon contract details, with hyperscaler spending confirmation, that report could be the next major re-rating event for this stock. Now the analyst picture. 37 analysts cover this stock. 57% say strong buy, 41% say buy, 0 say sell. Average price target $270, highest target $380. From today's price of approximately $198, the average target represents 36% upside. The highest target represents nearly 90% upside. The stock is down from its highs. Revenue is accelerating. Free cash flow is at record levels. Pentagon contracts just signed. Rubin GPU coming in the second half, and 37 analysts say buy. That gap between where the stock trades and what the business is delivering is the entire thesis. The company is NVIDIA Corporation, ticker symbol NVDA, trading on the Nasdaq. Check nasdaq.com. For the current price before making any decisions, that is your complete analysis.